Welcome to Glorious Ambrasia Kitchen. Today I'm decorating my tray. This tray I keep changing the decor in it. So it's Christmas, happy holidays. Yeah, so this thing used to be here in the corner there, and then I put parchment paper here in here. Yeah, like this. Like this. And I put the parchment paper in here. Okay. So I bought these. Okay. And I put them in here. Yeah. I put them in here. Like that. And I have this Christmas card from last year. Christmas card from last year. And I bought this ribbon and the candy. This candy is like it's in the shape of spoons, like baby spoons. Yeah, it's cute. That's a new style. I don't know if they have it already, but that's my first time seeing something like this. Okay, so let's continue.
Bless you, Ambrasia Kitchen. We love you. Okay, thank you. Glorious Ambrasia Kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu. Abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ambrasia Kitchen. Obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same. Onwa enuane ahodo any local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking na oye enuane a wonti bidin da na omo no a page ni. So make us say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onyanware ye eja esujani unyo obi no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so obetimi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia wo test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa ammo ano kama na yenkoi na